Okay, start decorating this, okay?
A famous waste boat. A famous waste boat. Yep. Don't spell on it.
Did you get them both filed down, or do you need me to file?
We're both down. For your approval.
Well, he has the championship.
It's okay.
File the...
I was thinking about that.
Hey, do you want a sticker?
Why not, Jacob? Oh, Jacob, remember at the bottom, that parts can be in water. Let's do the top. Oh, I see. You're right, you're doing the right way. I think it's like balsa or something. What are you going to call this boat, Jacob?
A waste boat.
A race boat?
Yeah.
Okay. Does it have a name? Is it called the Lego Man?
No!
No.
The Lego boat. No, it's called the glass boat. Can you help me?